Hello, Mike with Carmichael Cleaning here. Just wanted to do a quick video and let you guys know we are working in Guelph today. Nice rainy day here in Guelph. And we're doing 700 square feet of tile and grout restoration. We're doing about 6 areas of carpet, some wool and some nylon and some Berber. And we're also doing a whole bunch of upholstery and area rugs. So this is actually going to turn out to be a 3-day job. It's a really big job. But I just want to bring you in and show you what we are doing. So let's have a look. Okay, so that's just a little quick tour of what we're doing for the next few days here. We're going to be here at least 2 days to do all this work. So if you are looking for any tile and grout cleaning, carpet and upholstery cleaning, please visit us at our website at carmichaelcleaning.ca or give us a quick phone call at 519-208-8533. Thank you and have a great day.